It's your bro Slow, and
we're gonna feel this wonder with my favorite card from every Pokemon.
woo! Slow, bro. We got Slow. Oh, nope. Jellicent. We got Jellicent here, the magnificent jellyfish, Jellicent. This magnificent jelly looks like your friendly neighborhood fireman, ready to save the day, except maybe you might want to give him a big cuddle and hug. Give him a big squishy hug. Too bad Jellicents are terrifying creatures that overturn boats and drag fishermen to the bottom of the sea and, I quote, steal their lives away, which causes the crown on his head to grow bigger and bigger as it absorbs more and more of the life force of other creatures. So there's that. It's not a perfect world we live in there, folks, where cute and magnificent jellyfish are the good guys, but at least this card looks cool, and the background is purple.